Allied Wrecking, LLC, armed with state-of-the-art tools and a team deeply experienced in how to use them. Allied Wrecking, LLC is Tampa's top name for all types of excavation work, including demolition, grading, site preparation, clearing, and many other services. A single call to 813-957-2150 will have a Allied Wrecking, LLC representative scheduled to visit your site. For more information, please visit our website, www.alliedwreckingfl.com, or contact us through phone 813-957-2150. You can visit our office, 1802 North Howard Avenue, number 4382, Tampa, Florida 33607, USA. Allied Wrecking, LLC.